Apple will launch 3 distinct iPhone X models this year, including 2 models worthy of the iPhone X name and a cheaper phone that some seem to refer to as the iPhone 9. That's because 2 iPhones in 2018 will sport OLED displays, Face ID, and dual lens rear cameras, which are the main features of the current iPhone X. The third one will get the notch treatment, but it's supposed to pack an LCD screen and a single lens camera on the back. A set of beautiful renders show us exactly how big these devices are. Lining up with what we saw earlier today, this render shows what will be the middle-sized iPhone with a single rear camera, named iPhone 9 in the post. While it has been speculated that the lower-priced 6.1-inch LCD model may feature a larger bottom bezel, this render imagines a slightly thicker bezel all around the display compared to the new X and X Plus. As you can see in the image, the 5.8-inch iPhone X 2018 and 6.5-inch iPhone X Plus flank the 6.1-inch LCD model. However, the LCD iPhone X successor might have a bit of bottom chin, which isn't featured in these renders. That's because LCD screens aren't as bendable as OLED, although various providers have been working on flexible LCDs too. A bottom bezel would make it slightly uglier and ruin that corner-to-corner screen that looks so good on the iPhone X. The iPhone X Plus, meanwhile, might be just as big as the iPhone 8 and the Galaxy Note. All 3 phones should be powered by Apple's new A12 system chip that will bring a further improvement in performance. Rumors also point to a new, triple-camera setup on at least one of the 2 premium iPhone models that are coming. The rest about this phone remains a bit of a mystery. We certainly expect it to be unveiled at Apple's early September event alongside a new iPhone X and an ultra-premium iPhone X Plus model with an even larger 6.5-inch display. Other expectations for the 2018 is that 6.1-inch model include the price tag around $700, an A12 processor, but it may come without 3D Touch.